Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn Economics, Unit 2, Globalization and Trade. Take your book, page number 303. 303. Globalization and Trade. What is the meaning globalization? Globalization, உலகமயமாக்குதல். And trade, வாணிபம். Liberalization, privatization and globalization have become a much talked of all subject among politicians, economics and businessmen in modern days. Globalization. Globalization is the integration of a country with the world economy. Basically, globalization signifies a process of internationalization plus liberalization. History of globalization. The term globalization was introduced by Professor Theodore Leavitt. The historical background of globalization can be discussed three stages. Stage 1, archaic globalization. Stage 2, proto-globalization. Third, modern globalization. Silk and spice route. India and another continent, Asia, Europe. Proto-globalization. The next phase is known as proto-globalization. It was characterized by the rise of maritime European empires in the 6th and 7th centuries. The first Portuguese and Spanish Empire and Dutch and British empires. Modern globalization. Next, trade and traders in South India historical perspective. Trade. South Indian trade guilds were formed by merchants in order to organize and expand their trading activities. Next, first, early traders. In the year 1053 AD, the Kalinga traders brought red-colored stone decorative objective for trade and also cotton textiles to Southeast Asia at an early date. Next, European traders. The Portuguese. The Portuguese, under the leadership of Vasco da Gama, landed at Calicut on May 1498. First reach in Calicut. Profit of goods brought by Vasco da Gama to Portugal were to 60 times cost of entire expenditure to India. Next, the Dutch. The Dutch undertook several voyages from 1596 and formed the Dutch East India Company. The British. On 31st December 1600, Queen Elizabeth granted a charter to East India Company. India will be started. On southern east and coast, English established at Masulipatanam in 1611 and near Pulikal in 1626. The next, the 1639 built a Fort Field factory in Madras, which is known as Fort St. George. Next, the Danish. The French. The first French factory in India was established in 1668 by obtaining permission from Sultan of Golconda. In 1693, the Dutch captured Pondicherry but was handed back to French in 1701. Pondicherry was headquarters of French. Next class, you see globalization in India. Thank you, students.